In this video, we will learn about how to transfer a domain name under a particular customer in a host control panel. In order to transfer a domain under a customer, we need to make sure that the customer account is created. Once the customer account is created, click on Details section and then click on Product section. Now click on Domains. Further, you can click on Actions and then Transfer Domain. Now enter the authorization code given to you by your previous registrar and the domain name. Now enter the name servers and also make sure that domain locked is switched off in your previous registrar.